Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of Samsung's latest foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, against its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you're considering upgrading or just curious about the newest features, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk design. At a glance, both the Z Flip 6 and Z Flip 5 look very similar. They share the same size, weight, and AMOLED display technology inside and out. Both feature a 6.7-FHD inner screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 3.4-inch outer display. However, Samsung has switched up the color options. The Z Flip 6 comes in vibrant new colors like yellow and blue, while also retaining mint and a new graphite-esque silver shadow. Plus, if you buy directly from Samsung, you can get exclusive colors like crafted black, white, and peach. But the real game changer is the durability. The Z Flip 6 uses improved armor aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it tougher than the Z Flip 5. It also features an IP4A rating, adding dust resistance on top of its water resistance, which is a first for Samsung's flip phones. Now, let's dive into the camera upgrades. The Z Flip 6 boasts a significant upgrade with a 50MP main camera. Compared to the Z Flip 5's 12MP, this means higher resolution photos and an effective 2x lossless zoom. The ultra-wide and selfie cameras remain at 12MP and 10MP respectively, but the Z Flip 6's ultra-wide camera now supports 4K video and better low-light performance. We'll be testing these cameras thoroughly, so stay tuned for our in-depth review. Under the hood, the Z Flip 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, paired with 12GB of RAM. This is a bump up from the Z Flip 5's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 8GB of RAM. Plus, the Z Flip 6 introduces a vapor chamber cooling system for better performance under load. Storage options remain the same at 256GB and 512GB, but the Z Flip 6 also gets a larger 4000 mAh battery, promising longer battery life. However, charging speeds are unchanged, with both models supporting 25W wired and 15W wireless charging. When it comes to software, the Z Flip 6 ships with Android 14 out of the box, and Samsung promises 7 years of software and security updates. That's 3 more years than what you get with the Z Flip 5. The Z Flip 6 also debuts new Galaxy AI features, including interpreter mode for real-time translations, AI-generated message responses, and real-time voice call translation. These features are set to enhance your everyday experience significantly. Finally, let's talk price. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 starts at $1,049, which is $100 more than the Z Flip 5's launch price in the US. Is it worth the extra cash? With a better camera, improved durability, and enhanced performance, we'd say yes. But we'll have our full verdict once our in-depth testing is complete. That wraps up our comparison of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.